Hey guys, Tony here. I did want to update you guys on my $200,000 Forex challenge that Caught Forex, my broker, was actually running. I just failed the challenge today. I was not supposed to go under $95,000 equity. And for me, it was my mistake. For me, it was my mistake. I accidentally, I put on a lot of risk into certain positions. And instead of me thinking that I couldn't have a drawdown of $5,000, it was actually I couldn't have an equity drawdown of under $95,000, and that's something that I did not know after I looked into it. So I did fail my first try at getting funded for a $200,000 account. I am most definitely gonna try this again because in 1 week. I managed to be about 70% of the way through phase one. So I definitely think I can definitely get funded, right? I'm very confident. Is it going to happen? I don't know, but I'm very confident that I can possibly have a really good shot at getting funded the 200K on this Forex account to continue trading, right? But again, my fault 100%. I assumed that I could have only had a $5,000 drawdown, but the drawdown also came down to the equity that I had, which is that $98,926 amount that I have up there. I couldn't go under $95,000 for a drawdown. So it was not only a $5,000 drawdown, it was also a $95,000 equity drawdown, and I couldn't go under that. And as soon as I went under that, my phase one got failed, or that one position got failed, so my phase one got completely nulled. But I will be trying again. Probably will be trying again in maybe like another week or two. I want to make a little bit more money off the crypto. I want to see if crypto rallies again, because you do have to pay. I think it's $350 for 50K, $600 for 100K, and $900 for $200,000. So I do want to do this all over again. Like I said, I'm pretty confident that I have a really good shot at getting funded. So I'll end the video there. I 100% failed it. 100% my fault. Completely my fault, because I didn't read the instructions clearly, and that was my downfall. But basically, I had everything else completed. All I needed was just to make that 10K profit within the 30 days, which it was still, I was barely on my second week. The first week I managed to get up the account up to about $7,000 in profit. And I did not actually take that profit because I thought it was going to move in a different direction. And then it ended up coming back after the rate hikes. But again, just wanted to update you guys. Completely failed the $200,000 challenge, but I am going to be trying again, because I do think I have a really good chance at passing it and getting funded. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.